Hiya and welcome back to Hell of a Cake, and today I'll be showing you how to do a Peaky Blinder flat cap. To start off, you will need 150 grams of Rice Krispies cereals, 200 grams of marshmallow and 50 grams of butter. Microwave the butter and marshmallow until it's all melted. Combination of ingredients is great because when it's all mixed together and left to harden for a bit, its consistency is best for modelling. Remember to set aside your mixture for roughly about 10 to 15 minutes, as this will give it time to bond and become streaky free. As you can see, I'm shaping the cap into a rounded oblong that is higher at the back than the front. Don't forget to round off all them edges. Before I start off covering the cap, I wrap the board in some cling film so that it doesn't stick and it's easier to remove. I've just mixed some black sugar splash into the paste to make it a grey. Everything I use throughout the video will be in the description box below. I've used an impression mat to give it that fabric textured look. After putting the paste on top, leave a 1-inch gap around the edge. This is done so you can turn it over and it's not seen. To obtain the hat seams, I'm using a ribbon tool. This gives it a fantastic realistic fabric join look. And don't forget to fit that fabric button. To make the joins stand out, run the wheel tool down them. Run the knife side of the scriber tool down the middle of the seams. Don't worry if it's not straight, because on a real cap it wouldn't be. Now to make the hat rim. Whoops, remember to keep that paste on your bench. To ensure the hat is level, add a step at the back of the sugar paste. This just removes any gaps at the sides. All I'm doing here is adding the seam line to the edge of the cap, using the ribbon tool to raise the front of the cap peak to give it a little bit more character. Mix some black and white dust together and apply it to get the vintage worn look. I have applied some white down the seams to enhance the look of the hat. Now spray some Shell and Shine to highlight the dusted effect. I've cut out an edible print of a razor blade. Stick it on the brim of the hat just like the Shelbys would do. And here we have the finished Peaky Blinder flat cap. If you're interested in more designs, make sure to like the video, don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell on. Until next time.